Namaste. Welcome to the Vidisha Times. COVID 19 Corona time, but abuse against children and child safety is compromised yet again. The whole month from March 1st till the 21st, we have responded to about 131 cases of children. Out of that, 7 of them have been sexually abused. 13 children who ran away from homes, and 15 children have been victims of abuse in their own house, physical abuse. All the frustration taken on children. And our team, when the whole world is shutting down, we're busy right in the slums, the streets, and the parks to be able to rescue and make the world a safe place for all children. Lockdown began March 22nd. From March 22nd to April 21st, when everybody has been at home, Childline doesn't lock down. Dividisha is not in the lockdown. The homes that we run continue. The Saki that we run is 24/7. Childline is 24/7. Our team has been working relentlessly to be able to ensure that women and children are safe at this particular time. But what is startling is the figures. During the lockdown period in the last 1 month, we thought everybody is inside, stay safe. But the problem is children are not safe. We have responded to about 4 cases of child sexual abuse in the lockdown period. That makes it 2 and 7, 4 and 7. That's almost about 11 child sexual abuse cases in the last, from March 1st onwards till April 21st. Physical abuse, 14 children who have been victims of abuse in their own houses. If you look at that 14 and the children who were abused last month, that's about 15 plus 14. We are not talking about small numbers. Stay safe would mean make the children safe. And yet another very alarming thing was when there is lockdown, you can just do whatever you like, and the whole child marriage thing, we have been able to successfully stop 7 child marriages in the last 1.5 months. Let's make the world a safe place. And I think what is extremely important, even in Saki, we have responded to almost about 10 cases. A woman who has been abandoned has been rescued. A lot of domestic violence cases that we have got, we have counseled them. We've been able to reach out to all these families. Let us make the city safe and the world safe for children and women. If they are not safe, I don't know who else can be. Thank you, and stay safe and stay healthy.